Okay, so as we look toward the future, is there any hope that we're going to get relief from the heat and then get some rain or moisture in here?
Looking ahead a little bit, it's not looking like the greatest scenario for us as we go into monsoon season and next fall and winter, but right now it's not looking like it's going to be the worst either. It looks like we're going to be in a more of a neutral phase as far as El Nino and La Nina goes, and that typically has a really big hold on how things will play out when it comes to our weather. So that's something that we like to look at. Temperatures look to stay above average as we continue with the summer, and as we look ahead to the summer precip, above average precip expected with this type of weather pattern back out across Arizona and western New Mexico, and then below average for eastern New Mexico and into Texas. So most of New Mexico kind of in the middle. So that indicates we could be close to average. It could swing either way when you have a situation like we have, which again looks more like a neutral phase of El Nino and La Nina, meaning we're not in either one. If we get into an El Nino, usually that means better precip chances for us, especially as we get closer to the winter, and then La Nina means we don't see as much. So we're going to be right in the middle. So right now, no solid indication of the fall and winter precip chances. Neutral conditions predicted again through the fall, and then La Nina slightly favored over El Nino as far as the winter is concerned. Hopefully that won't be the case. We really need things either stay neutral or along the El Nino side, because we really need that moisture, and we have a lot of ground to cover when it comes to making up for the drought that we're in right now. A few showers out there right now, just some light spotty rain just east of the Sandias out toward Moriarty and Estancia. Those will fizzle out over the next couple of hours, and then we're just going to see a mix of sun and clouds. That's what we have going on right now this morning for most of us, just a little more cloud cover but very little rain out there. And as we go into the afternoon, winds will pick up from the southwest in a big way. That means fire danger going up, and so it's going to bring in more dry air, and so only spotty activity expected across very far eastern and southeastern New Mexico. Pretty similar to what we have been seeing for most of the weekend and even most of last week. So hot today. Temperatures will continue to climb as we go into tomorrow. Another breezy to windy afternoon with high fire danger. A lot more sunshine tomorrow too. The cloud cover we have in place right now, that's going to be moving on out, and so we're not even going to be really talking storm chances even across eastern New Mexico. It'll be hard to get those storms going there as more dry air continues to push in. Now as we go towards the middle part of the week, the winds finally start to get a little lighter, but temperatures start to go way up. We're going to see very hot conditions, well above average for most of the state, and back to the west, probably the hottest temperatures you have seen all year. We could get into the triple digits up near Farmington. Southern Colorado will start off in the low to mid 80s for highs with dry, breezy conditions, and then later this week, temperatures in the low to mid 90s. For the northwestern part of the state, the heat will be on later on this week. Low 90s today and tomorrow, but by Thursday, we're up to 100 for a high. So hot and dry, but again, the winds do lighten up a bit towards the end of the week. For the southwest, sunny and windy conditions today. Winds will gust to 40, so fire danger very high, and temperatures will be, again, above average 90s to triple-digit heat, and it gets even hotter later this week. Southeast New Mexico, very hot. Anywhere from 103 to 104 this afternoon, and you can expect temperatures just as hot, if not hotter, on through Wednesday and Thursday. A little bit better towards the end of the week and weekend. For the northeast, windy today with fire danger very high. Highs in the low 90s for Las Vegas, New Mexico, and then for everybody else, mainly in the upper 90s to even triple-digit heat down in Tucumcari. For the northern mountains, breezy and dry with a few clouds around today, and for the rest of the week, more sunshine. Santa Fe will get pretty warm too, back to the mid 90s for highs on Wednesday. East Mountains, few clouds around, but again, breezy to windy conditions here. Temperatures will be in the 90s. Fire danger very high for the metro area. High fire danger, highs in the mid to upper 90s, and a little breezy at times this afternoon. Temperatures will continue to go up for the rest of the week. Upper 90s Wednesday and Thursday, so we'll be nearing the 100 mark later this week, and it stays quite warm into the weekend.
All right, thank you, Kristen. Yeah, there's been a lot of that going on this week.